Welcome to Nepal National Single Window video training. This video shows the procedure for the application of Certificate of Curio products from Department of Archaeology (DOA). In your desktop or laptop, open Nepal National Single Window in a browser. Click on Online Submission and then on License Permit Certificate and Others. If the login page appears, enter your PAN number and password to login. Under Operations menu, click on New LPCO. To apply for the certificate, you'll have to fill the form under the tabs shown. In Header tab, under Type of LPCO field, select 922 DOA Certificate of Curio Products. In User Reference Number, you can edit the system-generated code to enter your own code which can be used to search this application later. Request Number, Request Date, Approval Reference, Approval Date, Valid From and Valid To fields will get auto-filled by the system after submission and processing of the application. In Country of Destination field, select the country where the goods are to be exported. In Exit Point field, select the customs office from where the goods will exit. In Invoice Currency Code, select the currency used for transaction in the invoice. Other currency-related fields will be auto-filled by the system. Here you can see the rules and regulations of agency. Proceed to Name and Parties tab. Type the company name and address of the receiver. Enter your email in the company email field to receive email updates of the application status. In Contact Person field, enter the details of the representative who shall submit the sample of the item in DOA. These two fields above are optional and has to be filled as per an agency's requirement. Proceed to Items tab. Click on plus button to add an item. In Commodity Code field, enter the HS code of the item by typing the digit of the code. Select the code from the system suggested list. The commodity description of the selected HS code can be seen. In Commercial Description field, type the commercial name of the item as mentioned in the invoice. If the manufacturer of the item is a different company, enter the name and address of the company or else leave it empty. Enter gross mass and net mass of the item. Enter the invoice value of the item in foreign currency and the equivalent amount in national currency can be seen. Enter the amount or quantity to be requested in unit of measurement according to the selected HS code. The approved quantity will be entered by the agency. Under Product Specifications, enter the measurement of the item in centimeters and the package number of item, year of manufacture of the item, and additional information of the item in remarks may be entered but it is not mandatory. Click on Add button. The first item has been added as seen in the table. To add another item, click on the plus button again and fill in the form in the same way as shown before and then click on Add. Similarly, add other items with different HS code. To view the added item details, click on the eye icon. To edit the item details, click on the pen icon. To remove the item, click on the bin icon. After adding all the items, proceed to the Attach Document tab. To upload documents required by the agency, click on the Add New Attachment button. In Code field, select the subject or type of document to be attached. If nothing matches from the list, select 999 Others. You can enter the name of the attached document in the reference number field. Date is optional. Browse and select the scan file. Click on Add button. Similarly, you can upload all the required documents for the application. Clicking on the Store button will save this application as draft and you can submit it at a later date. Clicking on the Submit button will submit this application to the agency for further processing. Click on Yes button on the confirmation pop-up window. The application has been submitted successfully. You will receive email notification on the email entered under Name and Parties tab. The latest application status and related work process from the agency can be seen in the Query and Notification tab. Here, request message can also be sent to the agency when required. You can download Web Tracker mobile app to get notifications on latest status update of your application.